Plowing Tigers of University of Santo Tomas. One set away from making their 5th appearance in the finals. They are the defending champions, shooting for their 5th straight championship, and this is their 8th Final Four or postseason appearance in the men's volleyball tournament of season 74 of the UAAP, and they're up by 5 right now. Make that up by 6 off that beautiful cross court by John Depante, the #1 option of UST in offense. He has been quieted a lot here by the blocking, the double blocking of Adamson whenever he's attacking from the open, pero he's getting more and more confident in this set. And that service ace by Ramos just puts make that Adamson in a pretty bad situation here. Coach Emil Lontok, despite the lead, looking intently at or surveying the action here. UST up by 7. Malayo-layo, hahabulin ng Adamson dito in set number 4.
This was what happened in the third. Nakauna na masyado ang UST.
And this is a, far cry from that 3-set win by Adamson in the second round against UST. This team doesn't look anything like that team that won the 3 straight sets.
You're exactly right, Eric. And remember, this is a more meaningful and crucial game for them, so you expect them to be going all out at this stage. Oh, nice play.
An open hit with no blockers at the net para kay Malyapre.
Malyapre, again, making something out of nothing because it was already an underhand set. He was just expected to just send it over, pero he still managed to hit it and get the point. Nice serve.
Ukang had no other choice. Ball was going across the net. A free ball para sa UST. Oh, and there is the block again against Depante. Depante feeling siguro siniswerte na siya ngayon. Tinanay niya yung dati niyang palo and basang-basa again ng depensa ng Adamson.
Straight into the block, and that block of Adamson has been getting the better end of the deal when it's Depante attacking.
Nilipat si Depante on the other side. Great save and a great dig by Adamson, pero Arbasto medyo napalakas.
Arbasto not hitting it straight down but sideways. Trying to do a cut shot, a reverse cut shot from that quick attack.
Better defense by Adamson here.
Ooh, that's too close. Oh,
pero Depante, he was sideways and at a very weird angle, pero able to get the ball across, and yung depensa ng Adamson, parang natulala.
How did Depante do that? Go straight without touching the net. Iniwasan talaga. Oops! Oh, wow! Hindi man lang gumalaw yung net.
Tremendous athleticism by Depante, who is now serving.
Nice play.
Malyapre with a hit.
Again,
that's Malyapre.
Malyapre hitting it into the block.
Apat pa rin ang cushion ng UST.
But the good news for Adams is that Galang is back in front.
But so far, kahit yung set number 3,
hindi masyado nagamit.
Galang, hindi nagamit and wasn't much of a factor. Arbasto, though, has been the better middle hitter of either team in this match.
That's right. Ukang, seeing that Arbasto comes in. Again, the block is late.
Saka ang ganda ng timing, Arbasto already in the air.
In the air.
Hinatid na lang yung bola sa kanya.
Yeah.
Great defense by Doloiras. Ramos. That was Galang. Hit softened by the block. Alfafara.
Nice
great save by Longavella. Galang the tip. Great defense by Ukang in the back. Alfafara flying in. Ooh, that was out. Maliapre picking it up to the delight of the Growling Tigers.
I think that the ball was on its way out,
Outside na yun.
obviously.
Because Maliapre was in the back row already. Sa backline na si Maliapre that time.
Ayun o, palabas na. Inangat pa niya yung
Nasa
kamay
dip niya na yung bola eh.
Free point sana yun.
Oo. Back to a 6-point lead para sa UST. And again, that Ukang Arbasto combination has been lethal
Yes.
para sa UST.
Again, Doloiras, the libero of UST, running around the whole arena because it was his save that really kept that ball in play.
Sherwin Ukang. Still serving.
Good job by the libero Doloiras.
7-point lead for, make that 8-point lead for UST. What a solid lead in
Yeah.
the most crucial set for them. 16-8. UST over Adamson in set number 4.